Centene is scheduled to report second quarter earnings on Friday, July 25th before the market opens. In the previous quarter, CNC reported revenue of $46.62 billion, beating revenue estimates by $3.37 billion. Centene reported earnings of $2.90 per share, beating estimates by 38 cents. For this quarter, the revenue estimate is $44.38 billion, with earnings of 38 cents per share. Over the last 90 days, no analyst raised estimates and 9 analysts lowered estimates. CNC meets or beats analysts' one-year forward estimates 100% of the time. CNC is showing negative relative strength going into the earnings. The options market is pricing an implied move of plus or minus 8.7%. If you have any thoughts about Centene you want to share, please post a comment. Talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Thank you.